So in the recent aftermath of in the aftermath of the recent Guardsman fire, we are looking beyond the tragedy at the long road to recovery for burn survivors and the vital support that's helping them heal and rebuild their lives. With us now to talk this through, Stephen Josephs, who's the president and co-founder of the Crisis Support Charity and Burn Foundation of Jamaica. Luke Josephs, also here with him, co-founder and director of the Crisis Support Charity and the Burn Foundation of Jamaica. And we've got Maisha Satchell, who's a wife of one of the gentlemen who survived that fire, Fabian. It's good to have you all here with us this morning. Stephen and Luke, you continue some great work. I hope you'll pardon me, starting with the lady. I want to find out, how are you, first of all? How are you? How are things?
So mentally, I am in a good place.
That's good.
Physically, I am also in a good place because I've taken some time to rest, like actually sleep now. But emotionally, I am torn because you're looking at someone you love and their whole life has changed. Mm-hmm. And the things that everyone takes for granted, they can't do anymore or by themselves anymore.
How is Fabian? Tell us.
Fabian has a fighting spirit, and I think that's what got him through. But coming home, and again, you're in a space where things aren't easy for you. You're the man in the house. He does everything, from the shopping to the cooking. I was spoiled. But now, looking where I'm doing everything, he's not able to do the things that he used to. It's emotionally draining.
I hope you're getting help in that area for the both of you.
Yes.
But here are Stephen and Luke who are providing other areas. Stephen, you came to national attention. Was it with Adriana Lang, when Adriana had her surgery? You flew her out and she got life-changing surgery. Absolutely. Several, as a matter of fact. And you've been around since then. So how are you involved with this situation?
Well, firstly, when we heard about it, we got several calls. We immediately sprang into action where we alerted all our international partners. And so this particular rescue was very unique and very complex because the amount of persons that were involved. And we can say the execution was well executed. It was a success because it exceeded also international standard in terms of the response time to bring the patient to the United States safely, so they could actually get the first world care that is deserved.
What about them to be and how long have you been around?
Well, the Burn Foundation of Jamaica was actually around from 2021 because what we realized is that someone needed to advocate for burn victims, and not just advocate, but to also give them a chance to receive the best of care. So that was how the Burn Foundation of Jamaica came about. But later on, we realized that there was a greater need for care and assistance. Ongoing, right? And we had created the Crisis Support Charity, which is the mother of the Burn Foundation of Jamaica. So that is a parent group that doesn't just offer burn care, but we also offer support to like teenage pregnant mothers. We also offer support to persons who are in need of advanced medical support and various other crises, even literacy amongst other crises. So if I was to continue to talk about the supports or the stuff that we do, we will be here for a long time.
What kind of support have you received from these gentlemen and these
From these gentlemen?
Yes.
Well, let's just say it was their connections, their efforts that we were able to be in one of the better hospitals in the US that has a good success rate on their burn unit. But outside of that, the moral support, the phone calls, the persons that they would call and say, let's pray for Maisha, let's pray for Fabian. So it's not just, oh, they got us there and that was it. Every week, every day, checking in, how are you doing? Mr. Joves at one point came to see me and he said, you need a change of scenery. Took me out of the hospital, took me for lunch. And, you know, so, and I think I really needed that on that day. And
support on a very human level.
It was on a human level. It wasn't about, oh, let's see what, he said, come, you need a change. You need to see something different.
What's my why? I mean, not because of your financial circumstances, right? That's supposed to be the barrier for you not getting the best care. And we're a family of service. It was growing up, as I said before, by mom and dad who embedded this into us, you know, to be our brothers and sisters keepers. So, you know, we continue to support our brothers and sisters in Jamaica who are in need of these type of services.
Right. You managed to build out such a broad network worldwide.
Right. So we're highly respected. We're a group that is highly respected in the world of burn. The best burn hospitals around the world, they recognize our work that we have been doing over the years. And so we have developed a solid network, not just to benefit Jamaica alone, but we also help our Caribbean neighbors as well when they have emergencies like these. And once the crisis, the burn, once we send a message to these hospitals, they respond very quickly.
And burn because why? I'm curious.
Well,
because of the gap here?
Because of the gap.
Because growing up, we used to see a lot of burn victims.
Okay, it has to,
on
there
TV.
has to be a gap.
It was because of the gap, and when we look at the money that was involved to get a burn victim into the United States, people saw it as something far-fetched.
Yeah.
It's impossible.
Yeah.
But we have certainly,
until it's done.
Yeah, we have certainly broken the glass ceiling because, as I said, this involved 3 men. The level of funding that it was required, it was mission impossible. But we have to big up God for always opening up those doors. So as we said that, we as Jamaicans are the heartbeat of the world. People are out there ready to assist us once we knock on the door.
Yeah, that's a flag on your shoulder. Are you guys brothers?
Yes, we're brothers.
Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we have to go. What is your hope for Jamaica to be able to fix this gap? Is that something that you're willing to take on and spearhead?
It's our hope to see Jamaica having such a specialized unit. We have an opportunity to lead in the Caribbean, in the world of burn, that we could assist our Caribbean neighbors. But, you know, before I go, I want to say thank you to our partners, the Wellstar Cub Hospital in the United States, the JMS Burn Center, the UCSF Hospital in California. And I just wanted to thank the U.S. as well, the U.S. Embassy, for always supporting our missions, you know, because, as I said, these logistics, some of them don't have visas.
We don't want to think about it.
Yes. And the U.S. respond very quickly in helping us to get them out as quickly as possible.
Right, and we also want Jamaica. We also want Jamaica and the broader world to continue to support us. Yes. If it is that you want to continue to support the missions that we do, you can call us at 876-344-7028 or visit our website at crisissupportcharity.org.
Fantastic. Thank you, gentlemen. Yes. Truly, truly. Maisha, we continue to hold you in our hearts. Tell Fabian to say good how to do.
I believe he's watching.
Hey, Fabian! Good morning, Fabian. God bless you. Hang on in there, and you have some good support. Thank you very much again for being here. Stephen Joseph, President and co-founder of the Crisis Support Charity and Burn Foundation of Jamaica, along with his brother Luke, who is a co-founder of the Crisis Support Charity and the Burn Foundation of Jamaica. And then we have Maisha Satchell, wife of burn survivor. Fabian, who is watching now and who we know things will work out, my friend. Take a break and smile. We'll wrap things up on the other side.